number of cases is 664, and out of that around 300 cases are from pilgrims who return from the Nanded Sahib, due to which there is a strict guidelines issued by the state government. And in fact, we can show you the visuals that right now we are standing in Mohali phase 8. You can see the Naka deployed by the Punjab police, and in fact a strict checking is going on, just because there is no such relaxation has been announced so far for the normal people, though the state government has also relaxed the hours, 4 hours in a day. Only 7 a.m. till 11 a.m. the shops remain open, but the point is that beyond this no such relaxation has been given, just because only green zones are allowed to open the shops, otherwise red zones and orange zones remain closed. And in fact, Punjab is the first state who have extended the lockdown for 2 weeks beyond 3rd of May, before the center announced the extension of the lockdown. And the Punjab is taking all the precautionary measures. In fact, if we talk about the pilgrims, they have to stay for 21 days of quarantine, whosoever is returning to Punjab from the outside of the state. And in fact, these Nanded pilgrims have turned to be the biggest threat, just because every day the numbers are rising. And even the state government have set up special quarantine centers for the pilgrims, just because every day almost 4,000 people who were stranded in Nanded Sahib, they were bringing back through the buses deployed by the state of Punjab. And even after quarantine period, they are allowed to go back to their homes. But now the situation is quite tense. After NRIs, the Jamatis would be the threat for the Punjab, but now the pilgrims, the devotees who are returning from Nanded Sahib, they are turned to be the biggest threat for the state of Punjab. Otherwise, the state could have flattened the curve of the positive cases, but every day huge spike witnessed in the Punjab. Yes, Christine.
All right. So that's the situation as it stands in Punjab right now. The number of cases only on the rise. Amandeep, if you could take us through in detail about if or not screening is also taking place in a proper manner. But